Dress is ooh. In. They going in. Hey YouTube, what it do? It's your girl Chatty Shay, and I'm back on another video for you guys. Okay, you guys, so on today we are doing a Shein all black haul with like specks of color. So I did get a few pieces from Shein that I want to showcase today. So y'all, we're going to showcase those pieces, okay? So let's get right into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, and please do comment because like I talk to y'all, okay? I talk back because y'all be talking to me. So please do comment and let me know what y'all want to see from your girl next. Also want to say thank you because I appreciate y'all support because y'all be going in for your girl. Y'all be going in. They going in. They're going in. Okay. Anyway, let's get to the outfits. Okay, you guys. So this is the pieces I got from Shein, y'all. This is outfit number 1. Yeah, I think this is so stinking cute. This is actually a bodysuit. I can't clip it myself. I'm gonna have to throw my legs under. Hey, I get somebody clip it for me. But anyway, you guys, these 2 pieces came from Shein. Super, super cute. Like the pants have like this little ruffle effect, y'all. The shirt is like see-through, y'all. I do have a black cameo under it, y'all. But this is too stinking cute. Like, yeah, and I think they go really well together. Like, y'all, like, you can't go wrong with an all-black outfit. And y'all, this is, you could also wear this to date night. Like, stop playing. Like, you thought you want some booty boots or whatever. Yeah, because these are like skinnies at the bottom. So you thought you want some little booties, baby. And you, walk it in. Walk it in. Walk it out.
Girl, bye. Bye.
Y'all, this is so stinking cute. Like, I don't know, but like, I'm really becoming obsessed with black. Like, usually if I put black on, like all black, that means I'm mad. Black is like, I believe I feel it today because I didn't want to look for no outfits that got color in it. But however, like, all black is really starting to eat, y'all, okay? So this is that outfit, y'all. Rate this outfit 1 to 10. Y'all, I'm going to rate this outfit a 10 because it's too fire. And I'm actually going to keep this top on and go put on a different bottom. Hold up. So this is that next outfit, y'all. This is the same top but a different bottom. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. Like, it's like a short. Like look at y'all. The back is shorts. Like this is. If you like it, now you show up on a ring on. All right, y'all. These are shorts, and it like gives that kind of like illusion. Like, ooh. Y'all, it got like a little zipper right here. I actually don't know what this zipper do. Oh, the zipper, like, y'all, this zipper is for show, okay? The zipper is for show. However, it's giving. It's giving what it's supposed to give, y'all. Like, this is so cute. Like, oh, look at it. Like, I freaking love this, y'all. And it feels good. Like, it don't feel cheap at all. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. Like, I feel like it's just right. Like, I feel like Shein clothes used to be cheaper back in the day. However, they are more expensive now, but they are cuter too. So I don't mind paying like a little extra shillings if it's cuter, okay? Because we like to look good. So this is another like date night outfit, y'all. All black date night outfit, cute. Put you on some boots or whatever. And it is too freaking cute. Like, I did put shoes on with all these outfits I'm showing y'all. So head over to my TikTok. You can follow me here. Bing. Or here. Bing. On my Instagram, y'all. If you want to see the outfits with shoes on. But y'all, like, Shein is eating. Like, look. Because who you know? Because, like, who you know? Like, the thighs say blah, y'all. And again, this top is eating. Now, for the girls who got a real flat stomach, maybe you could wear this without the cami. But for the girls who be mothering, who got like a little pouch or whatever like me, baby, you can put you on a cami or not, depending on your confidence level, okay? Because you might not be one of them, because I am one of them. I'm gonna put a cameo, and it's gonna eat. It's real sexy. It's cute, y'all. And I just feel like black is eating. All black done right is going to always eat. Black is going to always eat. Okay, period. Catch it if you caught it. All right. Next. See, I don't know about you, but for me, Shein is eating, y'all. I got this little, is this a pencil skirt? Okay, we're going to call it a pencil skirt. And it got like these little feathers on it, y'all. So stinking cute. And then I have this top, y'all, that's like a velvet type mesh situation, y'all. So stinking cute. Like, look at it. Like, baby. Oh, baby. It's okay, y'all. This is so cute. And this is kind of see-through, y'all. Can y'all see that? Like, it's kind of see-through, but it's not to the point where you might need to put something under it because it do have this print on it. But, baby, it's eating. And the dress is eating as well, okay? Like, the dress has, like, these little sparkles on it. I don't know if y'all can see it, which kind of make it, like, really, really classy and high-end. It also is double lined, y'all. This dress is double lined. So if you worry about it being see-through, it's not. Like, who? Who? Like, y'all, it's, I mean, can we clap for Shein? Can we clap for Shein? Because Shein is really doing it for me, y'all. Like, this is so cute. Again, you could wear this with your man, sis. Whomever, girls' night out or whatever, like, it don't even matter. It's just so stinking cute. Everything just meshes well together. And it's a look, like, y'all, it's a look. And again, you could put that little pouch right in this part right here. Y'all, look, it's got my little pouches in this It's giving waist wear, okay? It's giving girl you is flat, okay? Don't play with her. Don't play with her because she is not one of them. Y'all, so this is a cute outfit, y'all. Love this, y'all. Shein is really doing it for me. Let me get a little... Got me looking so crazy, baby. All right, y'all. Let me stop. Anyway, y'all, this is the next outfit. I'm gonna leave this skirt on because I do have another top, y'all. But anyway, y'all, it's giving. I'm just saying, your man not gonna be able to keep his hands off of you because it's giving that much. Next. All right, y'all. So I just want to let y'all know that I would not wear these two together. So don't come for me in the comments. I literally just put this top on so that I could show you what it looked like. So I didn't come on here with my panties on and get banned. Okay. Anyway, y'all, this is the top. Cute. It got like pearls around the neck and the sleeve. Y'all, this is too freaking fire. Y'all, like literally. And y'all, let me just tell y'all that it got like a hook and like a button at the back that's pearl. However, y'all, I was rushing to put this shirt on. Don't ask me why I was rushing to put this shirt on. And I popped the little circle piece that you're supposed to hook the pearl into. So I have to sew that back together. But this is what it would look like if I was able to button it up, which I'm not right now. But this is what it would look like, y'all. And the shirt is so stinking cute. Like this shirt is, I think they had other colors too, y'all. So you know what your girl gonna do. Your girl gonna go back on Shein and get the other colors because I wasn't originally sure about this shirt, but when I got it and I put it on, I was like, okay, this gonna work for you. This gonna work for you, y'all. And look, it's the sleeves, it's the everything. It's the everything for me. All right, y'all. I got one more outfit, and we're gonna break this y'all. So again, I would not wear these two together. I'm showing you the top, okay? So, y'all, this is another top from Shein. I've had this for a while. I've never worn it. So, if you have ideas on how I can wear this, please comment down below. And I don't think I've shown you guys this top, so I want to throw it in this haul just in case I haven't. But if I did, you get to see it again. So, y'all, here's that top. Like, oh, my God, like, so stinking cute. Like, of course, Of course, it's pink. And y'all, it look like it just do something to the body, y'all. Like, this is like the outline of like a little bralette or whatever like that. Like a little silhouette. Just to be cute, probably with some jeans and some pink heels, I think, with a little cute little clutch for date night. So I'm just saying, like, y'all, Shein is doing it. Like, what? Like, Shein is doing it. And for the low, y'all, this shirt right here probably was like $7. Like, nothing I showed you was over like $15. Nothing I showed you was over $15. So, I highly recommend Shein because the clothes be quality, they be cute and trendy, and they fit you just right. Like, the sizes are the sizes. Like, I wear an extra large in the bottoms, and depending on the top, I can wear a large or an extra large. Everything that I got fit me to the T, like, perfect. So, y'all, go on Shein. Go on. I'm no ambassador yet. But go on Shein because, baby. What? Because Shein is eating, y'all. So, go on Shein and get you an outfit or 2 or 3 or 4. Hey, y'all, that's it for this haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend what your girl got going on this channel. Until next time, bye.